Am I audible? Hello? So we are discussing. Am I audible clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So solid is an object which has the three dimensions. Okay. So in our syllabus only we are going to discuss the solid like prism, pyramid, cylinder, and the cone. Okay. Under the category of prism, we will discuss the pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism. Then again, we will see square prism, triangular prism. All the kinds of prisms we will discuss in detail. Then later on, we will have the pyramid and its types. Same square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, then triangular pyramid. All these pyramids we will discuss. Then cylinder, so only one cylinder that we are going to discuss. Cone, only one. It have we will discuss its positions with different orientation. So how we have seen the conditions for the solid plane chapter or the for the planes. So same can be repeated for the सॉलिड्स ऑल्सो. म्हणजे ज्या आपण प्लेनसाठी कंडिशन बघितल्या तशाच टाईपमध्ये we will see the condition for the solids also, right? Now just note down the definition for the solids. Okay, write down, all of you write down the definition, put the heading solid. A set of different planes, a set of different planes, a set of
लेक्चर चालू आहे.
हॅलो, काय डिस्टर्बन्स येतोय का?
No, sir.
प्रथमेश चव्हाण, प्रथमेश, प्रगती जाधव.
सर सॉरी केला म्यूट.
Okay, please all of you mute the microphone. So we were writing the definition for the solids. Write down. A solid can be defined as a solid can be defined as a set of different planes, a set of different planes, a set of different planes arranged in meaningful manner, arranged in meaningful manner, arranged in meaningful manner such that 3D object will be formed. 3D object will be formed. 3D object will be formed. Now, what is the central idea for this chapter? So in this chapter, as I mentioned, the different solids like prism, pyramid, cylinder, and the cone we will study, along with the different orientations like axis of the solid is inclined with horizontal plane, vertical plane. Then what is its a front view, what is its a top view. Okay, again solid revolutions like cylinder and the cone. So what are the cylinder and the cone will be formed by revolution. So for the such solids, what is if you have the inclination with vertical plane, horizontal plane, then what is its a front view and what is its a top view. So that part we will discuss in this chapter. Okay. Then what are the importance importance of the chapter is, as I mentioned, some application like water tank, boilers, chimneys. Okay, so for preparing or developing such objects, so we have to take the help of the different what are the solids I mentioned, prism, pyramid, and cylinder, cone, etc. Okay, because while preparing such objects we need to uh, cut the required portion, we have to roll it, again we have to assemble it. such practice will be there. Such practice will be there in the development of different objects as a solid. Okay, so in such a cases, the prism, pyramid, when we incline to the horizontal plane, vertical plane, how it will be it's a front view, how it will be it's a top view. Okay, so that detailed discussion we will see in this chapter. That is why we need to understand before going for the developing the complicated objects or day-to-day whatever the objects that we are using on our day-to-day life. So before developing such objects, we should know that आपल्याला माहित पाहिजे की what is prism, what are the types of prisms, cylinder, cone, then pyramids, and what kinds of pyramids are there. Okay, so all these information should know it through the chapter projections of solids. Okay, then what are the objectives and the outcomes? Objectives and outcomes. So main objective you can see here in this chapter is that whatever the solids are there, we will have the orientation, inclination with the reference planes. What is its front view? What is its top view? Okay, so that part we will have the discussion on that. Then secondly, we will understand the hidden features of the 3D objects. Okay, so there are some solids, if you incline with the respective reference plane, then some edges will be invisible, so we have to show it by dotted lines, which edge is visible, which edge is invisible. Such things we will study under this chapter. Okay, now simply note down the types of solids. Put the heading types of solids. First, prism. First one is prism. So in the prism also we can have the different types based on the shape. Okay, so whatever the base, if it is the triangular base, then we can get a triangular prism. Okay, then similarly pentagonal prism, if you want to say pentagonal prism, so bottom and top base will be pentagonal base, so we can call as a pentagonal prism. So like this we can have the types of prisms. Note down: triangular prism, second square prism, next pentagonal prism, then fourth hexagonal prism, okay. These are the four types of prism. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next solid is pyramid. You can put the heading pyramid. Pyramid. In that there are types of pyramid based on the shape. You can copy same triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, and hexagonal pyramid. So four types whatever the for the prism, जे प्रिझम साठी तुम्ही लिहिलेले टाइप्स तेच कॉपी करा, फक्त प्रिझम वर्ड रिप्लेस करून काय करायचं पिरॅमिड म्हणायचं. Noted?
Yes, sir.
So below the pyramid you can note down triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. The next cylinder. Cylinder. Then fourth one cone. So these solids we are going to discuss, we are going to study in detail. Okay. Mir, one way. Mir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
strength is 44. Take the screenshot. The attendance.
Yes.
You take the screenshot and share it to me. Okay, noted all the types of solids.
Yes, sir.
So in the tomorrow's lecture, we will see actual 3D figures for the prism, then 3D figures for the pyramid. So what are the types are there? Square pyramid, square prism, pentagonal pyramid. All the 3D models I will show it by tomorrow in the tomorrow's lecture. Okay. So now we will stop here. Thank you very much.